Okay, this lesson is going to show you how to manage course information for your teachers. And I've logged in here as an admin, Stacy Ainger, again, from Abundant Life. And as I've pointed out in the last few lessons, that I can actually do everything from the user management section, which I can access from this icon or this. They go to the same location. And so I will click that real quickly here and find ourselves back at the same page that we have seen several times now. And again, I am going to click Manage Users, and I see all the teachers from my school. And in our last lesson, we picked on Lorraine Lopiccolo, so we will pick on her again. And we populated this. Of course, we have profile information, and now we have licensing information. And what we want to do is add some courses to her profile as well. So I'm going to click the Manage Course icon there, and you'll see that we have a course attendance page, and this is going to record that she has attended a course. So it's really simple here. I have a list of existing courses that are already in the portal, literally hundreds of them. And I'm going to drop that down. Now these are sorted by date, and you can see here that there are several pieces of information that we can look at. We have every workshop from the most recent conference located here. We have 11.4, 11.3, and we have just a ton of stuff. And there's also a lot of stuff in here that might be school related. TCA, epilepsy awareness. This is from Trinity Christian Academy. And if you have school information, we will actually show you how to do that information in another lesson, another course, I'm sorry, and that is the Master in Service course, which is also available in the portal for you to review. And that is how to manage professional development at the school level. But Lorraine attended the admin meeting, so we are going to click K-12 admin. And if this course has multiple sessions, all sessions will be marked as attended. This only had one session, but we are certainly going to mark that she attended that course. If that were a different date other than 11/4, I could enter that date here. But that is the only day that we offered it, and so I am going to add that course right here, and we will see that she did attend the course, and this is for 0.15 credits, and remember that is 10 hours equals 1 credit, so that is 1.5 hours. I'm sorry, 1.5 hours or 0.15 credits. She is registered on this date, and she attended it. And we are good to go on that. Now, what's really cool about this is that if she needed to print that certificate for her file, she could certainly do that right here and print that for her file. It gives you a nice little PDF to print. She can also do a report, and this is a really cool feature here, because you can actually print all of your reports and all of your professional development on one report. And you will see that this report gives me her license information, as well as the total credits she needs to renew that license. And she received 0.15 credits towards her renewal. So she has already begun to mark down that 120 hours now, as you can see from that report. And so we've added that class, and I could go back then to the user home here. I could add more classes. And of course, she probably attended a lot of conference workshops, so we could actually add a lot of those. And that was a 1-hour course there. And when we print the report, you'll see now that she has added another hour towards her credential renewal, and that will keep tracking down as we add courses. Again, she can print a certificate for that course if she wanted to. And then we can go back to the user home, and you'll see that we now have these two courses, and you would just keep adding courses as you take them. And as I said, if if you have teacher orientation or you offer courses at the school level, those can be added through the portal, and we will show you how to add those under the MIS training program, and we'll give you a link in this on this course as well. So hope that was helpful to you.